Situated on top of a hill overlooking Hadd Thong Lang Bay, Phangan Utopia Resort offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Just a 10-minute walk from the beach, this 3-star hotel provides the perfect balance between tranquility and accessibility to island activities. Each air-conditioned room features a private balcony, satellite TV, DVD player, and slippers for your comfort. Start your day with a leisurely dip in our outdoor pool or get energized at the on-site bar and restaurant, serving an array of seafood, European, and traditional Thai cuisine. Take advantage of laundry services, tour desk assistance, or indulge in activities such as fishing, canoeing, and cycling through the scenic island trails. Whether you're looking to unwind on Haad Rin Beach, a 30-minute drive from our resort, or exploring Thong Sala Pier, just a 15-minute drive away, Phangan Utopia Resort is your ideal retreat.